Welcome guys, today I will show you my setup of Gnome and do a tutorial on how to set it up. I hope you enjoy this look. Okay, to make this work we need 4 things. The first thing is the icon pack. I'm using Gear icons. Here is their GitHub. Secondly, we need a Gnome shell theme. I am using this marble shell theme. It looks amazing also. Thirdly, we will also need ADW GTK3 to theme the GTK3 apps. And lastly, Gradients is a great app that lets you create your own color scheme on GTK apps, and it looks beautiful on GTK4 and 3. Now to the installation. We will install these things and have great setup. Okay, starting with the icon theme. First, we download the project file zip and go to Files, Download folder. We unzip our project files, open a terminal in the folder. We drag install.sh into the terminal and hit enter. And now we have the icons installed. For the theme, we do the same thing. We download and extract the files and open the folder and get the terminal in the folder, copy the command and hit enter. And there are versions if you want to customize. That's it. We go to the third app we need, ADW GTK3, and this one, since I'm using Arch, I can install it with the AUR helper. But if you are on any other distros, just follow your distro guide in GitHub in this project. They show how to install it in all distros. And last but not least, Gradients. I also install it with the AUR, and if you are on any other distro, just check the GitHub and they show you how to install it easily. Now add in dash-to-dock extension to the setup. And we have all our apps. Let's begin applying our themes. First, we open Gnome Tweak tool, go to Appearance, change the icon theme to Gear and the shell theme to Marble Light Yellow and Legacy Apps to ADW GTK3. And it looks amazing already. We are almost done though. We open the Gradients app, go to Presets and search for Rose Pine Down, apply it, and congrats, we may need to log out. After logging out and in, we see that our theme is applied and we just set our wallpaper to complete the setup. Enable dash-to-dock and do our color in it. And that's it. Congrats on your new setup. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more tutorials like this one. I hope you guys stay safe and see you in the next video.